Get excited about the 2010 Pontiac G6. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.